We, the jury, duly impaneled and swore in the above entitled action to find the defendant, Delon Davis, guilty of the crime of murder.
Good evening, I'm Joe Skrzyszewski, and thanks for joining us tonight. Guilty on all charges, including murder, the verdict of a Ward County jury that handed down this afternoon following just over 3 hours of deliberation. Prosecutors say Delon Davis fatally shot Mark McMillan and hid his body in the boiler room of a downtown Minot business. Davis testifying in his own defense this week, saying his actions were in self-defense in a dispute with McMillan over some lost drugs. Davis said he was fired upon first and returned gunshots. In closing, his attorney told the jury the state failed to present ballistics evidence that proved bullets from Davis's gun killed McMillan.
They want you to assume this because they don't give you the information. That is huge in this case. You have no idea where the bullets from Mark McMillan came from, what gun they came from.
But the jury sided with the state, who pointed to the fact that the evidence on the scene showed no other gunshots besides the wounds to McMillan, and the investigation did not back up Davis's side of the story.
Every single investigative lead that held any degree of water came back to this defendant and that barbershop. And a shooting was done intentionally.
Prosecutor Tiffany Sorgan, who you see there, declined to comment on the verdict until after sentencing. Judge Douglas Mattson remanded Davis to custody pending sentencing. Now, he'll be retiring in the coming weeks, but will preside over the sentencing hearing when it is scheduled.